long to power on the T30pro. Connect the receiver and the controller via Wi-Fi. Configure the rover. Open Photogrammetry. Set the correct pole height. Shake the pole to initialize the inertial measurement unit. Click the capture button to start image survey. Walk around the object that needs to be modeled. Do not keep the pole too far from the ground. Click the icon to enter the image gallery. Tap the photos you just captured through Photogrammetry. Select the images of the points you need to measure. Choose the measurement point. Click Select to get the location information of the point. Click Save to store in the coordinate library. Tap the point library to view information on measured points.